So, class 5, all of you can see me? All of you can see me? Can you see what I am writing on the board? Can you see what I have written on the board? Bolo, what? Say what I have written on the board. Yes. Standard 5, English, PT 10 is written, okay? All of you can hear and see me? All of you can hear and see me? Yes. Now, first of all, tell me, are all of you eager to come to school from Monday? कौन कौन रेडी है मंडे से स्कूल आने में? मंडे से स्कूल खुल रहा है, कौन कौन आएगा? ओह, इतने सारे आवाज, यानी एवरीवन वांट टू कम। बहुत घर माँ बाप का दिमाग खा लिया। नाउ कम ईट माई ब्रेन, ओके? फ्रॉम मंडे the school is being opened up, so I want all of you to be here. Is that clear? Yes, lots of head here. You have eaten lots of head of your parents. Now eat my head. Come to me and eat my head. So from Monday, all of you, all 21 students, I know Abhishek is not here, but from Monday, I want all 21 of you to be here. Okay? Clear the class 5 fees. Is that clear? माने कि clear the fees till March, and whoever come through transportation, you should clear transportation fees also. Okay? So I hope from Monday, all of you will be in this class. Okay? This is your class. This is your board. I'm teaching from class 5 only. Say, if anybody has any queries, ask me now. Okay. Let's come to studies with. So now I am going to revise you for PT10. You know that day after tomorrow, PT10 is starting. You know one chapter is coming. That is how lightning was made. Right? Okay. Now I am asking some questions. MCQ, you know that MCQ will come. And याद रहे one more thing. PT10 देने के बाद ये नहीं है कि सब खत्म टेस्ट। 80 मार्क्स का टेस्ट तुम लोग स्कूल में बैठ के दोगे जैसे फाइनल टेस्ट देते हो। अंडरस्टूड? And from the second half of the test will come. Second half मतलब सितंबर तक तो फर्स्ट हाफ था, अक्टूबर से, यानी अक्टूबर से अभी तक जो भी पढ़ाई हुआ है, फ्रॉम अक्टूबर टिल नाउ, दैट विल कम। अक्टूबर से अभी तक जितना भी पढ़ाई हुआ है वो सारा का सारा आएगा। अंडरस्टूड? तो जितना भी, एंड वन मोर थिंग, आई वांट ऑल द डायरीज, क्लास वर्क और होमवर्क का पूरा डायरी फुल होना चाहिए। अभी तक का जितना होमवर्क तुम लोग लिखा ही होगा डायरी में, क्लास वर्क कॉपीज और होमवर्क कॉपीज सब फुल होना चाहिए। ओके, तुम लोग के आने के बाद मैं कॉपी भी चेक करूंगा, तुम लोग का कॉपी एंड बुक। इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ आई एम asking some questions. Be ready. Now tell me, who was Upython? Who was Upython? A, he was an imp. B, he was a demigod. C, he was a giant. Or D, he was a legend. What he was? Upython कौन था? Yes, Vidya has given me the answer. Giant. Upython was a giant. Okay. Now tell me the next question. Ukai. Ukai was what? And the options are A, fox, B, lynx, C, lion, or D, bear. Ukai was what? A, fox, B, lynx, C, lion, or D, bear. Yes, the correct answer is B, lynx. बट सभी स्पेलिंग रॉन्ग दिख रहे हैं। लिंक्स का स्पेलिंग होगा LYNX। लिंक्स स्पेलिंग इज LYNX, LYNX links। ओके, दिस इज नॉट लिंक पेन। तुम लोग जो लिंक LINC को लिंक पेन है। ओके, नाउ लेट आई एम आस्किंग यू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नाउ। Okay, silence from that side. Ukai. Ukai has specially made what for the festival? Ukai has specially made what for the festival? A, special cloth. B, special hat. C, silver sword. Or D, a spear. Tell me, Ukai has made what for the festival? Yes, Abhigyan has given me the correct answer. Yes, silver sword. Ukai has made silver sword for this special occasion. Okay? Understood? Now, tell me, who has taken the sword of Ukai? Who have taken the sword of Ukai? The lion. B, Upython the giant. C, a human being. Or D, a demigod. Now my question is, who have taken the silver sword of Ukai? A lion. B, Upython the giant. C, a human being, or D, a demigod. Yes, most of you in the chat giving correct answer. The sword of Ukai has been taken by the giant Upython. He has taken his sword. Okay. अब इस Now, when the sword was stolen, when Yukai's sword was stolen, what did he decide to do? A. To kill the giant python. B. To reach the sky and get his sword from python. C. Leave it as it is. Or D. Want to get another sword for himself. Tell me, what did Yukai decided to do after his sword was stolen? Option A, he wanted to kill Upaitat, or option B, he wanted to go to the sky, to reach the sky and get it from the Upaitat, or C, leave it as it is, or D, he want to get another sword for himself. Tell me. Yes, Dhananjay has also given correct answer. Harshit has also given, Vidya has also given correct answer. Yes. Ayushi has also given correct answer. Yuvraj has also given correct. Yes. The option B is correct. He wanted to reach to the sky. He wanted to reach to the sky and get his sword back for him. Okay? Chalo, I think you have a good command over this chapter, but still I want to ask you the last question on this, how lightning was made. Now tell me, what type of story, what type of story is how lightning was made? A, it is an Indian folktale. B, it is a Khasi folktale. Or C, it is a Buddhist folktale. Or D, it's a Christian folktale. Tell me, what type of story is? Yes, Ayushi given the correct answer. It is option B, a Khasi folktale. Manan has also given correct answer. Yes, Isa Kumari, very good. Abhigyan also good. Ankush also good. Harshit also good. Is a Khasi folktale. If you see at the last of the story, you will see that it is written there it is a Khasi folktale. Okay. So these was all. This type of MCQ will come in the PT10. Now let's go to some grammar portion. Grammar, you know what did I give you? Yes, in grammar portion I gave you picture composition, advertisement and diary writing. And all of these three I have made you do. Okay? मैंने करा दिया ना सर? Hello? Yes. Now first of all, I am coming to the picture composition. Now see, in picture, the question is, in picture composition, what do we describe? Option A, the heading. Option B, the picture. Option C, the theme. Or option D, none of these. Tell me, what do we describe in picture composition? Yes, Ayushi. Yes, Vidya. It is picture. Option B, picture. In picture composition, obviously we describe the picture. Now next, in picture composition, first of all, we should give dash. In picture composition, first of all, we should give dash. A, draw the picture. B, the heading. C, the paragraph. Or D, none of these. Say, yes, Vidya. It is B, the heading. In picture composition, what we give is heading. Okay? Now the third question. Is it compulsory to draw picture while describing or writing doing picture composition? Question is it compulsory to draw picture in picture composition while doing it? Option A, yes. Option B, no. Option C, don't know. Or option D, both A and B. Say, please hear my question properly. Is it necessary to draw picture while doing picture composition? Option A, yes. Option B, no. Option C, don't know. And option D, both A and B. Yes, the correct answer is D, both A and B. It depends on you. Either you can draw the picture or you cannot draw the picture. That means yes and no. Option A and option B both. Okay? Yes, this was about the picture composition. Now I am coming to advertisement. Let's come to advertisement. Now, advertisement is given for what? Question is, advertisement is given for what? Option A, for missing of somebody. Option B, a missing of any belonging. Option D, C, to promote the business. And option D, all of these. Tell me, here the question again. Why do we use advertisement? A, to find out the missing person. B, to find out the missing belonging. C, to promote the business. Or D, all of these. Yes, the correct answer is D, all of these. हम लोग एडवर्टाइजमेंट देते हैं, कोई अगर मिस हो गया, उस मिसिंग पर्सन के बारे में जानकारी पाने के लिए, या हमारी कोई चीज खो गई है, सिर्फ इंसान नहीं सामान भी खो सकता है, उसके बारे में, या हम अपने बिजनेस को प्रमोट करने के लिए नहीं देखते हो टीवी में एडवर्टाइजमेंट, अक्कली बत्तली डिलीशियस आमूल, देन आशीर्वाद आता, ऑल आर दीज वर्ड टू प्रमोट बिजनेस, दीज एडवर्टाइजमेंट. ओके, चलो, नाउ द सेकंड क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम एडवर्टाइजमेंट. What is the most important thing What is the most important thing we should not forget while advertising? A, the name of the person lost or thing lost or the name of the product. B, the place from where it is missing or lost. C, the person to be contacted, or D, all of these. Tell me. Yes, Ayushi, correct. The correct answer is D, all of these. Okay. Now, diary writing. While writing a diary entry, who is the listener? While writing a diary entry, who is the listener? A, the diary. B, the narrator. C, the reader. Or D, none of these. Tell me. In diary entry, while writing diary entry, who is the listener? सुनने वाला कौन होता है? A, the diary. B, the narrator. C, the reader. Or D, none of these. Yes, Ayushi, correct. Yes, Dhananjay, correct. Yes, Vidya, correct. It is the diary. The correct answer is A, diary. डायरी ना सुनेगा तभी ना तुम बोलते हो डियर डायरी. टुडे इट हैपेंड टू मी दिस, टुडे इट हैपेंड टू मी दैट. तो पहला तुमको सुन कौन रहा है? डायरी. तो वो इज द डायरी. ओके. So this type of answer will come. I have done with you revision of English PT10. So all the best. कल से टेस्ट है देना. सब सिलेबस तुम लोगों को मिल चुका है. कोई भी प्रॉब्लम या क्वायरी रहा यू कैन मैसेज मी. ओके. Now I am ending my class here. And one more thing, I want all of you to on Monday in the school. Okay. So tell your parents to clear your mass fees, and whoever come by transport, clear the transport fees also. Transport fees also. Okay. All the best. See you soon. Bye.